If you are running a car leasing company business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your car leasing company business. Now managing tasks like sharing available leasing option, giving eligibility criteria details and scheduling an expert call for the customer would be very time consuming for you. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. Welcome to my screen everyone. As you can see, this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and it will automate my car leasing company business by handling tasks like sharing car availability for lease, providing eligibility criteria, and letting users talk to an expert. But before showing you the step-by-step process of how to build this bot, I'll show you a real-time example of how this bot works. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. I've already connected this WhatsApp number to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now I will send a simple hi and let's see what happens. As you can see, our chatbot responds with this welcome message. And I'm getting 3 quick reply buttons: car availability, check eligibility, and talk to expert. Now if I select car availability, I'm getting a complete list of available cars, as you can see. Now if I want this Honda City, I just need to simply select like this and send. Now I'm getting 2 options: apply now and ask a question. If I select this apply now button, now it is giving me a lease application form, where I need to share these details like full name, city, car model, interested in. Now it is giving me a lease application form. Where I need to share full name, city, car model I interested in, monthly income and preferred lease term. So I'm going to enter these details. As you can see, now it is showing me a confirmation message. If I select this confirm button, and as you can see, it is showing me this message: your application has been received. Our team will reach out shortly to complete the process. Now if I go back to welcome message and select this check eligibility button, now it is showing me a complete list of eligibility criteria. So that's how our chatbot works. If you also want to create this powerful chatbot, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that, we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before start creating our chatbot, let's change the flow name first. Now on the left side, you will see two main sections, messages and actions. And these all are the nodes we are going to use to create our chatbot. This node here is the starting point. It's where the chatbot gets triggered and send a message to the user. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will automatically be captured. With the choose template, you can select and use any pre-approved template. We are going to use universal regex, which means it will capture any response typed by the user and trigger our chatbot automatically. To make sure it works accurately, we will enable case sensitivity using this option right here. This ensures that the chatbot gets triggered even if the user types in uppercase or lowercase. It will recognize both. Now let's start creating our chatbot. So first, I will create a welcome message. For that, I'll drag and drop this hollow point like this, and I'm going to select text plus button. By using this node, I can create a message for the user and create a quick reply buttons using this option. Now I will create a welcome message. Here as you can see, I've created a welcome message. We are using these asterisk symbols to make our font bold. We just need to type any text between these two asterisk symbols and our character or font going to be bold. Now I will create 3 quick reply buttons for the user. One for car availability, one to check eligibility criteria, and one to talk an expert. If user selects this first quick reply button, I want to send them a complete list of available cars. For that, I just need to drag and drop this hollow point like this and select this list option. By using this list feature, I can mention all the details and available cars in the right format. First of all, I will enter header. As you can see, available cars. Now I will enter a body. Basically, it is our list description, as you can see. Now I'm going to use this add section button to add available car details. First, I need to add section title. Now I will add items by using this option. I've entered a price. Now I will enter a description. As you can see, this is our description: sleek sedan with premium comfort and fuel efficiency. By using this same process, I will create 2 more sections. As you can see, I've added Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos and their prices and description. We can preview our message by using this I button like this. And when I select this open list, our message will going to be look like this. Now suppose if the user selects this Honda City car. Now I want to store these information somewhere. For that, I will take this set custom field from actions, drag and drop like this, and create a contact custom field. Basically, this is the location where the details provided by the user are going to be saved. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check out the description box. Now, if the user selects this Honda City, I will connect this path like this, select a contact custom field and enter a value which I want to store in this contact custom field. For example, I want to store this Honda City name and this price. Now, if the user selects this option, these details are going to be saved in this particular contact custom field. Now I will create this same type of contact custom field for other options like Hyundai Creta and Kia Seltos. Instead of drag and drop options from here, I will use this copy button to make 2 duplicates like this. Now I will connect these nodes and change their details. As you can see, I've changed these details. After getting these details, I want to confirm these details from the user. For that, I will create a confirmation message. So I will just drag and drop this holo point like this, select text plus button and connect all these nodes to this message node. Now I will enter a message. Basically, this is the way you can show the data stored in the particular contact custom field. You just need to use dollar symbol and the particular contact custom field, and the data which is stored in the particular contact custom field will show here. Now I will add two buttons, one to apply now and one to ask queries or basically questions. Now if the user selects this first option, apply now, I want to give them a lease application form. For that, I will use this ask question button. For that, I'll drag and drop this ask question node from actions. Now I will create application. As you can see in this lease application form, I want their full name, city, car model interested in, monthly income, preferred lease term, etc. Now these details are going to be stored in this contact custom field. If you want to learn, you can check the description box. If you want to learn contact custom field, you can check the description box. Now I will select format as any. Now I will connect this question node to apply now button. After getting these details, I want to confirm these details from the user. For that, I will create a confirmation message. So I will drag and drop this holo point and select text plus button. As you can see, I've created a message. Now I will create two buttons, one to confirm and one to edit. If the user selects confirm button, I want to send them a thank you message. For that, I will drag and drop this option like this and select text plus button. If the user selects this confirm button, I want to send them a request received message. For that, I will drag and drop this holo point like this and select text plus button. Now I will create my message. As you can see, I've created this message. Your application has been received. Our team will reach out shortly to complete the process. Now, if the user clicks edit button, I'll connect that button back to the node where we originally asked them for the information, which is our previous node. So I'll connect like this so they can easily update their details. Now I will create a response for our second button, which is check eligibility. For that, I will drag and drop this option like this and create a text plus button. Now I'll enter a message. As you can see, this is our car leasing eligibility criteria. Now I will enter a button to go back to menu. Now I will connect this quick reply button to our welcome message, so the user can redirect to our previous message easily. Now I will create a response for our third quick reply button, which is talk to an expert. For that, I will simply drag and drop this holo point like this and select text plus button. Now I will enter a message, and this is our message. One of our leasing specialists will be with you shortly. In the meantime, feel free to explore available cars or check eligibility. Now I will create a button to go back to menu. Like previously, I am going to connect this button to our welcome message. And as you can see, our chatbot is now completed. After creating all these responses, we just need to save this flow by clicking the save button here, as you can see. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try it for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbots for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.